Welcome to Mystery Reviews. In this video, we will be unboxing and reviewing an electric kettle by Pigeon. Along with the kettle, the brown box contains a detachable rotating base, a manual and a warranty card. The Pigeon electric kettle has a capacity of 1.5 liters and requires 1500 watts of power. The light indicator has an auto cutoff feature which works well. The lock lid feature helps the water to boil in time without letting the steam escape. It has a 360-degree rotating base that can easily detach and attach itself to the base of the electric kettle. It also has a cord winder at the bottom. We used this kettle in our test kitchen extensively to boil water every day for various purposes and found it to be an economical purchase with a set of easy to use features.